How to reset or recover Steam account. So if you want to reset or recover your Steam account password, then you need to simply open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Go for the search bar and search for Steam. Once you've searched, here you can go for the first search, which is Welcome to Steam, and go for login, which is on the upper right. And from here, you need to sign into your account or log into your account. So you need to simply enter your account name on the first blank, and then you need to enter your password. But if you want to reset or recover your password, then you need to simply go for help, I can't sign in, and then go for I forgot my Steam account name or password, which is on the first, and then you need to enter your email address or your phone number, or you can also enter your account name. Click on I'm not a robot, and then click on search. And once you click on search, here it says that you can receive a verification code to the email address, or if you don't have access to the email, then you can click on the second option. But for now, I'll be receiving verification code to my email address. And here it says that an account verification link has been sent to your email address. So simply open up your mail, and here you will have Steam account recovery. Click on that and then click on resume recovery. And here you need to enter reset my password, and from here you can change your password. So click on that and then you need to enter a new password to your Steam, and click on change password. And once you click on change password, your password will be reset or recovered. So that's it. That's how you change your password. And now you can simply go for sign into Steam, and here you need to enter your email and your password, and then click on sign in. And now you need to enter the code that you have received to the email address. So simply open up your mail again, and then here you'll have this code. Copy the code, paste it here, and that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.